So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you top 5 best meme coin for the coming mega bullion here. Okay, these all 5 meme coin can be the next Shiba Inu coin, can be the next Pepe, can be the next Bong coin, can be the next 1000x potential meme coin for us. All of these meme coin are low cap meme coin and is still not listed on any tier 1 exchange, not listed on Binance, Coinbase, Kraken. Okay, but definitely these meme coins have potential to maybe we can see there's major scale listings soon here. Okay, so video is going to be very special, very important. You have to just for the computer and make sure to like video and subscribe the channel. So friends, for first meme coin is cat and a dog with MUSC symbol 245 number market cap ranking here. Current price $0.0032. This meme coin can reach $1 price by the end of this mega run here. Okay, you can see its current market cap is $292 million market cap. $50 million trading volume in last 24 hours. That's awesome. It means coin is live, not dead. 88 billion coins total supply, max supply, all in circulation. That's awesome. You can see coin is working on Solana blockchain. This is the Kathy meme coin on Solana chain. That's awesome. We are 66% down than its all-time high. That was 2 months ago, and we are nearly 262% up than its all-time low. That was also on 27th March, means 2 months ago. The coin is also listed on KuCoin Exchange, Get.io, OKX, these exchanges, but still is not listed on Binance, Coinbase. Okay, but in future maybe we can see this meme coin on major exchanges also. My price prediction about this meme coin is that we can see cat in a dog words up to $1 here. Okay, definitely this meme coin has potential to be the next 1000x potential to be the next Shiba Inu or Pepe. This meme coin can reach $1 price by the end of this mega bull run. Okay, so first meme coin was Bucoin. Friends, the second meme coin is Silly Dragon. Okay, you can see current price $0.02. Current market cap rank is 1000 number ranking. Okay, very low cap, super low cap meme coin. Here you can see its market cap is just $25 million only. Okay, only $25 million market cap. So from this market cap, this meme coin has really potential to get the market cap of $5 billion or maybe $10 billion in this coming mega bull run, because this is the project of Solana blockchain's co-founder. Okay, so that's why this project is very amazing. Max supply of 1 billion. Okay, 999 million coins in circulation. That's awesome. $4.5 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is amazing. It means coin is alive, not dead. Total supply is very less. Okay, coin is working on Solana chain also. We are 84% down than its all-time high. Okay, 84% down than its all-time high, and nearly 300% only up than its all-time low. So that's good. Coin is already listed in KuCoin Exchange. I'm also holding this meme coin on KuCoin Exchange, Bitget. Okay, these exchanges they're listed, and maybe we can see major exchange listing soon here. And my prediction about Silly Dragon coin is that we can see this meme coin up to $10 to $15 in this coming mega bullion here. Okay, from $0.02 to maybe $10 to $15 in this mega bullion. First, third number meme coin is AI Dogecoin, Doge AI. This meme coin is working on Arbitrum blockchain. Currently, coin has 9 zeros in its price. Okay, current market cap is $109 million market cap. Recently, this was pumped huge share. You can see in last 7 days, 34% pumped. In last 1 year, 105% pump. Okay, $32 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So that's awesome. Trading volume is very good, and there are too many coins are burned from its circulation supply, and we are at 48% down than its all-time high. So that's good. Coin is listed in MEX exchange, Get.io. Okay, but still not listed on even KuCoin exchange. Okay, $109 million market cap meme coin, and is still not listed in KuCoin exchange, Binance, no anywhere. So this meme coin can perform really amazing, and I think this meme coin be the next 1000x potential. Okay, this meme coin can kill 3 zeros here. We can see AI Dogecoin price, okay, by the end of this bull run up to just 6 zeros. This meme coin can kill 3 zeros here. First number fourth meme coin is Fan coin. Okay, currently coin has 3 zeros, 0.3 times 0 to $1. Current price, okay, 355 number market cap ranking. Current market cap is $156 million. Trading volume in last 24 hours $31 billion. So that's good. Coin is working in Solana blockchain. Okay, and here you can see we are 57% down than its all-time high that was 2 months ago, and we are nearly 1200% up than its all-time low, so that's good. Coin is already listed on KuCoin exchange because I'm also holding this meme coin on KuCoin exchange. MEX, EXTX, Get.io, BingX is also listed as meme coin, but it's just this meme coin is not listed on any tier 1 exchange, so definitely we can see its major exchange listing soon. And this meme coin can also kill two zeros. Okay, its market cap is $156 million. That can be goes up to 5, maybe 8 to 10 billion dollars by the end of this mega bull here. Okay, and my price prediction about this meme coin is that we can see its price up to $0.2. Okay, $0.2. Friends, the fifth and last meme coin is Panicky coin. Okay, recently I shared this meme coin with you, and here you can see its price is $0.01, dumped by almost 14% here because recently this mega massive pump here. Okay, I'm already holding this meme coin on KuCoin exchange. Here you can see in last 14 days price is pumped by 182% here. Okay, $114 million market cap. Last 24-hour trading volume is nearly $27 million. That is awesome. All supplies in circulation, so that is an amazing thing. KuCoin has already listed this meme coin. I will show you here. You can see KuCoin has already listed, Get.io listed, Crypto.com has listed this meme coin, and maybe Binance and maybe the other major exchanges can list this meme coin because it's a very potential meme coin, and maybe we can see its major exchange listing soon here. We are 53% down than its all-time high and 168% up than its all-time low. Okay, and this meme coin can gain the market cap of maybe 5 to 10 billion dollars also. Okay, 5 to 10 billion dollars market cap. And then friends, we can see its price up to $10 here. Okay, from $0.01 to maybe $10 price, and this meme coin can be the next 100 to 500x meme coin for us. Okay, so these are my top 5 best meme coins that can be listed in major exchange and tier exchanges including Binance exchange in this year. Okay, and these meme coin can be the next Shiba Inu coin by the end of this meme mega bullion here. What do you think about this meme coin? Are they really potential or not? So you can must comment down below.